Let's do some calls of the day. We're going to start with Bank of America, which was removed from J.P. Morgan's analyst focus list. Say that 3 times, Weiss. Analyst focus list. You own it. You bought more last week.
I do, and it's still not a big position. I mean, Goldman dwarfs that position. Look, I don't know why certain analysts do certain things. I don't know why Buffett sold his position, or at least what he's reported selling. What I do know is that at one time's book, with Moynihan being a great CEO, and what I see as ultimately, a yield curve that's going to be favorable for them, and a capital markets that will open up, then I just think that it's a pretty compelling value here. If purely on a value basis, Citi at 60% of book is also attractive. I haven't gotten there yet, and while the steps that Jane Fraser, who's done a great job, is taking, have borne fruit, they've still got a long way to go.
For the most part, it feels like these stocks are, I don't necessarily want to call them a monolith, but if you look at the performance of all of them together, there really is not that much differentiation between the gains in the stocks. This one's up 27%. Sure, Goldman's done the best of the group at 36, but Citi's had a nice run, JPM's had a nice run, but they're all reasonably close to one another.
And that's a function of the ETFs, but where I think they separate is that as you get into the cycle of the capital markets, I think you'll see some diversification in performance, number one. And at some point, valuation will matter. But right now, in the indices, and there are multiple indices, that's really what controls it, and it actually makes, the same thing occur in various industries. There's very little divergence in it.
The other one
but also, Scott, just one final point. In terms of protecting your downside, that's why you want to go to the quality companies.
I got you. Royal Caribbean. I want to hit that because it's the 5th best performing stock in the S&P 500 over a year. RCL is. Joe T owns that. Reiterated buy today at Goldman. Price target to 245 from 220.
Yeah, and I keep talking about the fact that this company has defied my skepticism, my personal skepticism.
Look at that chart.
About owning it. And here we go. They step forth with, once again, a remarkable quarter. They're seeing renewed strength once again coming from Asia. Let's remember, you've got a significant fiscal stimulus package out of China. So overall, they are certainly a leader when we think about travel as it relates to travel on the seas.
Okay, Exxon Mobil reiterated as hold at Truist. It does report on Friday. Bryn, you own the S&P oil and gas ETF. This price target's 117. Give me something quick on that. Then Jason Snipe actually owns the name, so I want to hear from both. Bryn.
Yeah, you're going to continue to see this dispersion of return in these names. Exxon in the space is up 17% versus the Chevron's negative. The space is up 5%. And so I continue to want to think you want to pick your spots because there's definitely been a lot of winners and losers. And so Chevron's definitely, Exxon's definitely one of the winners this year.
Jay?
Not in Exxon, actually. Sold out of the.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, the only fully integrated I owned, it was Chevron.
That was my bad.
Yeah.
My bad. It's Joe T. that's in Exxon. Right?
Yes, I got that right? I am in Exxon. Broken momentum energy, that's for sure.
For sure.
Okay. That's all you're going to say about it? Okay.
Yeah, let's leave it at that.
All right, I got you. He does have a rebalance coming up, so we'll learn more about that in the coming days.